Tribe Talk? Alright, let me tell you.
So you ask about the big TT. Let me take you behind the scenes. We're made up of 3 teams and I'll show you what I mean. Just follow me. We got Friday production. They bring you all the school news, such as clubs, rallies, trivia, sports. Stick to the end for the senior video. Next up is the B-roll team. They capture film on live at the scene. With their help, we got film galore. Taking vids after vids so you never miss a score. Don't forget the new media team. Popping on trends, so that's what you want to see. Chief Trends is our new podcast. Don't be shy, join the fam, listen in on the gram. School pride, you see it all the time. Repping our squad from the top to the bottom. Of course, gotta thank Miss Eder and Doreen. Without their help, this wouldn't be a thing. Well, it's all from me. Hope you learn more about what Tribe Talk means. Thanks for listening to my School of Rock. And one more thing, welcome to Tribe Talk.